Luna was about to get married. Ganun din si Sevi. Susunod naman si Sam. Si V at Orkin, kinasal na sa isa't isa nang hindi namin nalalaman. Maliit na ceremony lang daw sa Spain. Si Yana, kinasal na at may anak na. All of them had partners. Love scared me. But I did not lose hope in love. Seeing my friends with their partners made me realize that one day, the right man will come at the right time. I just loved the wrong people before. Napaisip ako palagi kung ano kaya yung nagawa ko sa buhay ko. Kasi okay naman yung mga tao sa paligid ko. They found the right partner at the right time. Masaya sila. May nagmamahal sa kanila. Nakita nila kagad ang para sa kanila. Paano naman ako? I felt like I was running out of time. Although I had a lot more ahead of me. Kapag nakikita ko lang sila, naisip ko kung bakit wala pa rin. Kailan? But most of the days, I was okay. It wasn't like I was begging for that kind of love because I was surrounded by people who loved me. Minsan lang, syempre, naisip mo yung mga ganong bagay. Lalo na kapag nanonood ng movie or nagbabasa ng libro, maisip mo kung kailan kaya ako makakaramdam ng ganoong klaseng pagmamahal. The hope was still there. It was a good thing because that hope made me think that I was still capable of love and being loved by myself, my family, and friends. But there was a certain level of love that still scared me.